Discover how you can find a company's employee count using its LinkedIn company URL. This demo highlights how LinkFinder AI simplifies accessing accurate company data efficiently. Click the link in the video description to go on LinkFinder AI. Here you can create an account for free. You click on Start Free Trial to create your account. Once you've created your account, you'll be redirected to the app page of LinkFinder AI, and here you can select the input type of your data. Here I have LinkedIn company URL, and I'd like to find the employee count for this company. I select Employee Count from the LinkedIn company URL. I select Employee Count from the LinkedIn company URL. I enter a company URL link. I enter Anthropic LinkedIn URL. I click on Enrich Data to find an Anthropic employee count. Anthropic has between 11 and 50 employees, so it's a startup. If you want to do this with multiple companies, you go in the Upload CSV option. You drop a file with company LinkedIn URL. You can click on Process Item. You can click here to export the result as a CSV file.